Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I recently went to Disneyland and I picked up a couple things that I wanted to show you. The first thing is this Jim Shore figurine. It is Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room figurine, and I'm going to unbox it for you. We'll check it out, and then I've got something else related to the Tiki Room that I wanted to show you. So let's just begin with this and see what we got. Now, I will say that this has been opened before, and that is only because when you buy something at Disneyland, they do inspect it to make sure that it's good, and that's a good thing because you don't want to get home and now you've got something that's defective and all that. And if I can get this out of here, oh man, please bear with me. There we go. Just styrofoam fits really tight. Okay, I'm gonna have to open this up because it has been taped. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it open here with my knife. And we'll check it out. Almost got it. Maybe. We'll go this way with it. Okay, we finally got through the tape, and now we're going to check it out. Stuff out of the way. And what you're looking at right there is Jose. He's still in his package, but we're going to pull him out and check out what this is. Now, this is the first time that I've ever bought a Jim Shore item. I've kind of had mixed feelings about them. To me, they tend to be a little less expensive, so that's the good news. It's just that I don't know, his designs and stuff, I don't know if I always like them or not. But this one I really did like. I've never bought a Jim Shore item before. This one just has some on his chest, kind of the pattern or whatever that's unique to Jim Shore. I probably would consider buying more of his things, but this one I really did like. Like I said, it's Jose, and it's pretty cool. It's got some birds up here on each side. It says Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room at the top, and it does say Jose right there. And then it's got these cool looking tikis here on each side. Okay, I'll turn around and show you what the back side looks like. So here's the back side, and it looks like, that kind of looks like a surfboard there. But I really like it, and I've actually had this, like I said, I got it in February, we're into March right now, and I've kept it packaged because I wanted to do a video and show you guys it. And so there it is, pretty cool. I think it was roughly, it might have been $65. I think that's what it was. Don't think it says on the bottom. Nope, it does not. Anyways, that's pretty cool. I like it a lot, and I believe it's made out of resin. And then the other thing I wanted to show you is just a picture. Now, I did put it in a frame since I've been home, but I have this picture, and hopefully you can see it without a lot of glare. Maybe if I tilt it like that, maybe that looks good. I really like this too, and I don't know, I thought it was cool. And if you wanted to get one of these, you could find it at the Bazaar, which is in Adventureland, right across from the Jungle Cruise, about in that area. Now the next question is, where am I going to put it? But at least I got it in a frame, and I think it looks really cool. And I thought I'd do a video with this, since it's all regarding, you know, the Tiki Room. So those are a couple things I picked up. I didn't buy a lot when I was at Disneyland, but these were two things that I did get. So I hope you enjoyed them. I hope you enjoy this channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also consider sharing this with your friends. Anybody that likes any Disney items, they might like this channel, so make sure you do share it with them. Until next time, guys, we'll see you later. Bye.